Ever grabbed your pocket knife and realized that tiny piece of steel is the only thing between you and solving a serious problem? Whether you're facing a tangled rope on a trail or an unexpected threat in the dark, the right folding knife can be your lifeline. Today, we're breaking down 20 Amazon folding knives built for survival and self-defense, from budget beaters to premium tactical tools. If rugged gear talk gets you fired up, hit subscribe to Trek Gear. Now let's kick things off. Kershaw Clash Black Serrated. Imagine you're hiking a rocky trail, brush snapping under your boots. You need something reliable fast. That's where the Kershaw Clash steps up. A one-hand opener that snaps to action with speed-safe assisted deployment, making quick response effortless when seconds matter. The partially serrated blade bites through rope, branches, and seat belts without hesitation. Thanks to its 8CR 13M OE stainless steel, you're getting toughness and edge retention made for real-world use. The curved handle rests naturally in your grip, giving you control during detailed cuts or when you need to defend yourself fast. Whether you're prepping camp supplies or breaking free in an emergency, this one earns its spot in your pocket. Vickay Folding Utility Knife. Think of a compact tool you forget you're carrying until it saves the day. The Vickay Folding Utility Knife isn't flashy, it's practical power. Designed around a razor-sharp replaceable blade, this lightweight cutter slices open packaging, trims corded, and handles tight carving tasks with ease. The aluminum frame keeps weight low while still feeling sturdy, and the quick change blade feature means sharpness is always just a swap away. Perfect for those who want a backup knife that handles small survival chores without weighing them down. Clip it onto your pack, forget it's there until you really need it. CIVIVI Folding Pocket Knife. Now picture working through camp chores at dusk, making feather sticks, prepping food, slicing cord. The CIVIVI Folding Pocket Knife gives you that premium feel at a mid-range price. Its stone-washed steel shrugs off scratches while keeping a razor edge. Smooth, ball-bearing action means the blade glides open with a flick-controlled, confident, and incredibly satisfying. The ergonomic handle design locks into your hand so fieldwork and defensive maneuvers feel stable and natural. Spyderco Resilience Folding Pocket Knife. Picture yourself clearing brush or building a quick shelter before the rain hits. You want a blade with reach and control. That's exactly where the Spyderco Resilience shines. Its full-size blade gives extra leverage for tougher cuts, and that iconic Spyderco round hole makes one-hand deployment smooth even with gloves on. The textured G10 handle keeps your grip locked tight during sweaty or wet conditions, something you'll appreciate when working under pressure. From food prep in camp to defensive readiness in urban environments, the Resilience stays reliable, strong, and always ready to respond. Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight. Legend status earned. The Delica 4 is the knife people carry for a decade, then hand down. Its lightweight frame disappears in your pocket, yet its razor-sharp edge and precision control make it a survivalist favorite. You get quick access thanks to that same round hole opener, and the G10 stainless steel slices clean through rope, straps, or fire prep materials without dulling quickly. When you're facing long days on trail or unexpected nights outdoors, every ounce matters, and this knife gives you performance without the bulk. Trusted worldwide, and for good reason. WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife. Now, if you're building a survival kit on a tight budget, the WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife is a sleeper pick. It accepts standard utility blade, so keeping a fresh cutting edge is as simple as swapping one in. And the compact aluminum body doesn't mind a little dirt, drops, or heavy pocket. Box cutting, cord trimming, opening tough packaging. This tool does the daily jobs that keep bigger blades sharp for when things get serious. Not flashy, just dependable and ridiculously affordable. A smart backup knife or a primary tool in a minimalist kit. Outdoor Edge 3.0 Razor Light EDC. Imagine breaking down small game or shaving tinder for fire and your blade stays wicked sharp the whole time. The Outdoor Edge Razor Light uses razor replaceable blades, so instead of sharpening mid-survival, you simply snap in a fresh one. The rubberized handle offers a locked-in grip during wet or cold weather, while the sturdy frame prevents flex when you're working through tougher material. It's a clean, precise cutter, perfect for hunting trips, compact EDC carry, and emergency kits where reliability matters more than look. Spyderco Tenacious Folding Pocket Knife. When your knife is called Tenacious, it better live up to the name, and this one absolutely does. Built for survival on a budget, the Spyderco Tenacious combines a strong stainless blade, grippy ergonomic scales, and super smooth deployment. It's that knife you take camping, pass through hell and mud, then still trust to protect you on the walk back home. From cutting cordage in a hurry to controlled carving around camp, this folder gives you power and confidence in the palm of your hand without breaking your wallet. XSRA Mini Knife. Tiny but not a toy. The XSRA Mini Knife is the kind of ultra-compact blade that stays hidden until the critical moment. Designed for keychain or neck carry, it handles fast emergency cuts, box opening, or close quarters self-defense when a big knife isn't an option. Lightweight, easy to conceal, and razor sharp, it proves that a survival tool doesn't have to be large to be life-saving. A great backup blade to stash absolutely anywhere. Men's 3D folding knife. Sometimes survival is about versatility and style combined. The men's 3D folding knife offers a multi-angle handle design that feels natural in almost any grip. Its sharp stainless steel blade handles camp chores, food prep, and quick defensive actions alike. Compact enough for everyday carry, yet sturdy enough to survive the outdoors, it's a practical choice for hikers, urban explorers, and anyone who wants a solid all-rounder in their pocket. Laser-edged blade, precision meets efficiency. The laser-edged folding knife is engineered for meticulous cutting from carving kindling to tactical applications. Its laser-honed edge stays sharp longer and cuts cleanly with minimal effort. Add the lightweight, ergonomic handle, and you have a tool that's easy to control even during intense tasks. Perfect for those who value accuracy, speed, and reliability in a compact package. Creative folding knife. Sometimes survival knives aren't just tools, they're solutions. The creative folding knife brings innovative blade geometry and multifunction features to your pocket. Think cutting, slicing, and small prying tasks all rolled into one. Durable, lightweight, and ready for field use, this knife is ideal for campers or adventurers who want a flexible tool that covers multiple survival bases without carrying extra weight. Multi-function pocket knife. The multi-function pocket knife isn't just a blade, it's a toolbox in your pocket. From opening cans to trimming cordage or prepping firewood, every tool clicks into place seamlessly. Compact and portable, this knife balances everyday convenience with serious outdoor readiness. Perfect for anyone building a versatile survival kit without overloading their pack. Engraved pocket knife. The engraved pocket knife brings a personal touch to functionality. Its laser-etched handle isn't just for aesthetics, it provides texture for a secure grip in wet or slippery conditions. The sharp stainless steel blade handles camp chores and light defensive tasks with ease, making it a practical yet eye-catching option for survival enthusiasts and collectors alike. Ergonomic pocket knife. The ergonomic pocket knife is built for extended use without fatigue. Its curved handle fits naturally in your hand, giving you precise control for detailed cutting, cord slicing, and field prep. Strong, lightweight, and balanced, it's perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone who needs a knife that works as hard as they do. Which one of these would you carry on a long trek? Portable folding pocket knife. Think lightweight, compact, and always ready. The portable folding pocket knife is designed for easy carry without sacrificing performance. Its blade glides open smoothly and locks securely, making it ideal for slicing rope, prepping food, or light batoning. A dependable companion for EDC, camping, or survival kits where every ounce counts. Damascus pocket knife. Classic craftsmanship meets rugged utility. The Damascus pocket knife features a striking patterned steel blade that's as durable as it is beautiful. Its strong edge handles carving, cutting, and utility tasks with precision, while the robust handle ensures a secure grip in wet or cold conditions. If you value style and reliability, this knife brings both to your pocket or pack. Sharp WG-10 steel core Damascus folding knife. Premium performance in a compact design. The WG-10 steel core Damascus knife combines high-grade steel with a stunning Damascus pattern for a blade that's sharp, resilient, and ready for serious use. Its ergonomic handle allows precise control for food prep, rope cutting, and survival tasks, making it ideal for anyone who wants both aesthetics and extreme functionality in one tool. Stitch, a tactical folding knife. Its quick deploy mechanism and strong stainless steel blade make it perfect for emergency situations self-defense, or survival scenarios where speed and reliability are critical. The textured handle gives you a secure grip even in wet or chaotic conditions, making it a go-to choice for tactical-minded adventurers who want a knife that performs under pressure. High-quality, handmade Damascus steel pocket knife. The grand finale artistry meets toughness. This handmade Damascus steel knife combines precision forging with exceptional durability. Its razor-sharp edge, elegant handle, and full tang construction make it perfect for survival, bushcraft, or everyday carry. It's the kind of knife you trust when the stakes are high, from campsite chores to emergency readiness. Every cut feels deliberate, confident, and controlled. And that wraps up our list of 20 folding knives for survival and self-defense on Amazon. Which one would you pick for your survival kit? Drop your favorite in the comments below. We love hearing your top choices. Don't forget to subscribe to Trek Gear for more deep dive gear reviews, survival tests, and tactical breakdowns coming soon. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a gear upgrade and keep your adventures sharp.